Managing money in a high inflation economy can feel like navigating a maze, but with the right strategies, you can come out ahead. First, let's talk about understanding inflation itself. Inflation is essentially the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services rises, eroding purchasing power. When inflation is high, the money you have today will buy less tomorrow. So it's crucial to keep an eye on inflation rates and adjust your financial strategies accordingly. Now, let's dive into spending with intention. This means being mindful about where your money goes. Create a budget that prioritizes essential expenses. Think groceries, utilities, and rent. Cut back on non-essentials. Instead of impulse buying, ask yourself if that item is a need or a want. This simple shift in mindset can save you a significant amount over time. Next up is smart saving strategies. In a high inflation environment, traditional savings accounts may not cut it. Look for high-yield savings accounts or fixed deposits that offer better interest rates. Consider inflation-linked savings bonds, which can provide returns that keep pace with inflation. It's about making your money work for you, not just sitting idle. Now, let's explore investment options to beat inflation. Stocks, real estate, and commodities like gold can be great hedges against inflation. While stocks might seem volatile, historically, they have outperformed inflation over the long term. Real estate can provide rental income and appreciate in value, while gold often retains its value during economic uncertainty. Diversifying your investments can help mitigate risks and maximize returns. Increasing your income is another crucial aspect. Look for opportunities to upskill or reskill. This could mean taking online courses or attending workshops. The more valuable your skills, the more you can command in the job market. Freelancing or starting a side business can also provide additional income streams. Even small amounts can add up and provide a cushion against rising costs. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of community. Share tips and resources with friends and family. Sometimes, collective knowledge can lead to innovative solutions. Whether it's group buying to save on groceries or sharing investment insights, collaboration can enhance your financial resilience. In conclusion, managing money in a high inflation economy requires a proactive approach. By understanding inflation, spending wisely, saving smartly, investing strategically, and seeking additional income, you can navigate these challenging times with confidence. Remember, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving, even when the economic landscape seems daunting.